Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on VMware. So at first, to install the Ubuntu on the VMware, you need to download and install the VMware. So for that, you just need to open your default browser and search for VMware Workstation. So you can see this first link here. Just open it. So click on download Fusion or Workstation. So you can see this here, this is the login panel. So now at first we need to sign up for the bootcamp, and after that we can only download the VMware Workstation. So to sign up, so you just need to click on this login button and click on register. So now enter your email address. So now you need to enter the verification code which has been sent to your email. So after this, you need to complete your registration. So for that, it asks for your first name and country where you are residing. Now after this, the registration is successful. Now click on I'll do it later. So now click on login. Click on next. So that's it. You are successfully set to download the VMware Workstation. Now click on My Downloads. And you will see this here, free software download available here. So click on this. So down here you can see this VMware Workstation Pro. So just click on that and download the VMware Workstation Pro. If you are using the Linux, then download this Linux version. So if your work system is Windows, then just download the Windows one. And you will see the bunch of options here. So click on the latest release. So click on terms and conditions. So after that, you can click on this I agree button and just choose to download this. So it may ask you to enter the more details about yourself. It may ask you to add your address, your city, and your provinces and your country. So just quickly fill this form up. Now again click on terms and conditions, and after that choose to I agree, and now you can just easily download the Workstation Pro. So after you download it done, just open the exe file, click on S. The installation is pretty much easy, so just click on the I accept, next. So that's it, we are done with the installation. And I would like to suggest you guys a NordVPN, which protects your digital life from cyber threats. The links for the NordVPN is in the description box. You can save up to the 70% on a NordVPN with threat protection. So please guys, hurry up. So after installing the VMware, you need to download the ISO file of the Ubuntu. So for that, open your browser and go to the Ubuntu website and go to the download section, and you will see this option here, Ubuntu desktop. So click on it, and down here you'll find the two versions of Ubuntu, one which comes with the 9 months of security and maintenance update, and another one which is the LTS version. So make sure you download the LTS version. So for that, just click on download and your Ubuntu ISO file will be downloaded. So after downloading the ISO file of the Ubuntu, you need to open the VMware. So for that, search VMware Workstation. And now to install the Ubuntu, at first you need to set up a new virtual machine. So now click to create a new virtual machine. And now choose to select the ISO file which you have just downloaded. So just click on browse that folder where you have downloaded. So choose that ISO file and click on next. Type the full name and set up your user password. Just click on next, and now you need to allocate the disk size for your Ubuntu virtual machine. So you can set as per your wish. So for now I'm going to set it to 50 gigs, and you will see the another option here to store the virtual disks as a single file or to split the virtual disks into the multiple files. So as per your need, you can do whatever you want. So for now I'm going to choose to store virtual disks as a single file. And now we're in the final step of creating the virtual machine. So you can customize hardware here. So you can allocate the memory just for your need or your system capabilities. I'm going to allocate to 8 gigs. 4 gigs will do that too. And you can allocate the processor. So it also depends upon your system capabilities. 2 will work, but I'm going to choose for 4. And you can just leave everything as it is and just click on close. And just click and finish. So now we are into the installation configuration. Now you can choose your language and click on next. And now you need to choose your keyboard layout, so you can choose as per your requirement. So now it may ask you to connect to the internet. For now, choose the last option and click on next. You can skip the update for now, and you can update later after installing the system. Now you will see the two options to install Ubuntu or try the Ubuntu. So for now I'm going to choose to install Ubuntu. So basically there are two ways to install Ubuntu: interactive installation and another one is automated. So for now choose the interactive installation. And now you can choose to install the default selection of the software or the extended selection. So I recommend you to choose the extended selection. And make sure you choose this install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, and you can leave the second option unchecked for now. So in the beginning of the installation, we created a disk of 50 gigs. So basically there are two ways of installation. One is manual installation and another one is erase disks, which we have created initially. So basically what it will do is it will erase that whole 50 gigs of disks and install the Ubuntu inside it. So you can just choose the first option and click on next. So now type your username, your password, and just click on next. So now you need to choose your time zone, and after that just click on next. Now click on install. So here we go. It may take a while to install Ubuntu system into your virtual machine. So until then you can just sit back, relax and enjoy your coffee. You'll see this message here. So after this you just need to choose to restart now. So here we go. The system is successfully installed. So now let me just shut down and show you from the beginning. So after the installation, you'll see the Ubuntu virtual machine which we have just created here. So just to start the virtual machine, choose the Ubuntu and click on play virtual machine. Now to enable the full screen, you just need to click on this option. So choose your account and type the password which you have created. And you will see this welcome message here. Just click on next. Skip this for now. And you can choose to share the system data with the Ubuntu team, but I recommend you to don't do so. And just click on finish. So sometimes the full screen mode may not work. So for that, just exit this and again go for the full screen mode. Now here we go. The full screen mode is successfully working. So hey guys, in this way you can install Ubuntu into your VMware inside your Windows operating system. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll make this video if you like, share and subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video. Until then, signing out.